Good morning, everyone. We are here at the Maçkas, Istanbul. It's the Park Hyatt, and we're going to show you around a bit. And then Andrea later will give you a room tour.
Upstairs.
Gotta say that this place has a very interesting design, modern but still traditional. So this restaurant is really nice. We're not gonna eat here. If you're familiar with Salt Bay, it's actually his restaurant, but we will actually go out and try to eat somewhere else. They also have a breakfast area where you can eat. It's not included in the price, but it is convenient because you're already here at the hotel. Now we'll go down to the spa area, which also has a gym. So it's not very big, but it has everything you would pretty much need. They have a few weights, but it's a good spot.
Hi, welcome to our room. So we're staying here for one night on points. This is a closet here. It's pretty spacious. And we originally booked a king-size standard room, but they upgraded us to a deluxe twin room. So we have two beds, have a mini bar here, a desk, couch. You can see it's pretty spacious. The beds are really comfortable. We also have a large screen TV. There's a lot of unique features in this room. It's very like Victorian style and modern at the same time. Here's the mini bar. There's coffee, tea, and snacks from Turkey. And American snacks too, fully stocked. And then we also had some water, fruit, and even some snacks, local Turkish delights. They smell like coconut and I think hazelnut. Another closet here. This is the bathroom. You notice that there's a lot of pocket doors here. You walk in, there's a full-size mirror. And we have the vanity, 2 sinks. Over here is the toilet area and includes another pocket door. And then behind me, this pocket door, there's the shower, which has a rainfall shower head and full-size bathtub. I think it was a good redemption on points and we enjoyed coming here. We even got to use the gym a little bit this morning. This is a locum that they offered us here. It has coconut and I think hazelnuts. It tastes like maybe rose or something, kind of like perfume is what I'm getting. And it's like a jelly candy. Tastes good, but I'm not used to the rose flavored, I think.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not good because when Andrea likes something, especially sweet, she will tell you right away. Her face will show it. So I think she didn't like this one, but it's an interesting flavor, I think. So we found this fried chicken place that we're gonna go try out. They have burgers, they have sandwiches, chicken wings. I think we're pretty close. It's kind of cold outside, but we'll show you once we're there.
It's good. The bread's soft. We got the chili honey barbecue. It's got mayo and lettuce. Really good sauce. Over here they have barbecue, sweet and spicy. And this one has like a cheesy, spicy mayo type of dip.
And I got the basic salt burger. Looks good, but we're really hungry, so it's time to eat. So this place was pretty busy, so we didn't vlog in there too much. It was pretty loud, but the food was great and it's also pretty affordable, so that was great. We are headed to go get some desserts.
This is amazing. It's warm. It doesn't taste a lot like a cookie, more like a cake. The white chocolate is melted.
So this is the one we came here for, which is the brownie. But I really wanted to try this one.
Ready. I heat it up so it's nice and gooey. really hot. It tastes like those chocolate molten lava cakes. It's really good, very fudgy and warm. And the cheesecake is just melted in there. Huge chunk. Really rich brownie, it's very good.
It didn't stand a chance.
Chocolate wasted.
That brownie and cookie were really good, but now we are going to look for some water because it was very rich, and so we definitely need to tone it down with some water. So we're here at a local grocery store called Migros.
Get like to the left.
If you'll remember, Andrea has an affinity for handmade things, crafts, etc. So she found this market and now she's running away from me.
Lots of jewelry, some ornaments, and candles. Everything looks handmade. It's really nice.
So that's gonna be it for today. We've been walking around a bit. We'll catch you next time.